Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make motion text in Canva. Yep, you get it right. You can make motion text. And so how to make the motion text is very simple. You want to add your text to your design, click on the text and click on effects. Under effects, you want to scroll down and you will find a section for apps. And these apps, you'll find the motion text as well. There are more options as well, and so you can go ahead and just look through to find some cool stuff that is there. But what I like is the motion text, and this allow you to make motion text. So click on that, and keep in mind that this is going to require the Canva Pro to do this, but you are able to create motion text. And so this is how you can actually do it, right? So you can see how the text are actually moving, and they have different motions and so forth. So wow, I'm gonna basically find something that looks cool with wow, for example. Yeah, well, they have a bunch of options that, as you can see, you can basically. So let's say we want to make this one, right? Wow, like this. You can basically do it, add it to your designs. You can always play around with your text style as well. So you can even change the style of your text first, and then afterwards you can basically, tweak it the way you want. So I'm gonna move this out of the way for the time being, and this is basically the motion text, right? So you see how the text is currently. Right, and you can always go ahead and you can play around with transparency of the motions if you want it just somehow in the background you can, right? And yeah, you can always edit the text as well if you want to edit it. What the edit actually does, it allows you to really like change colors and all those different things. So if I wanted to return it into full black, I can go ahead and I can say I want it to be black, right? As you can see there, I'm gonna delete this one and let's go back into the design color. You can ensure that you choose the color, for example black. This is another one, we will choose black here. Outline width, you can always play around with the outline width of the text, as you can see here. And the more you change it, you can even change it. Let me go ahead and try, for example, white, something like that. When you make any changes to the text, or let's play with the speed, for example, you can go ahead and click update. You have to click update for it to be if to take effect, and this is the important thing. So don't just change it. You have to basically update it for you to see, and you can even change the font as well. So whatever it is that you want to change, you can go ahead and you can change it. So if I would want to use, for example, no the sun, for example, that's not so bad. Or we can choose this one, then we click update. Whatever changes you make, you just update it and it's gonna recreate the animation of the text. And so guys, that's it. I really hope you found this useful. So if you're looking for how to create motion text in Canva, this is how you actually do it. This is how you get it done. And yeah, I really hope that you find this useful and you can go ahead and play around with the motion text. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.